Hello friends, today we are going to unbox a Boatstone 200 Bluetooth speaker, and looks like it's portable and yet powerful. And these are the specifications I mentioned. It's shockproof, water resistant, and 3 watt speaker and up to 10 hours backup. And yeah, let's go to the unboxing. This is a manual. They have those. Can tell you like what's what. Just volume, play, pause and call, on and off button. Nothing much in it. And they've given something. And this is the actual speaker. I feel on the both sides it has this. Maybe I'll check to see if it can play in both portable sides, because in the JBL Go it used to have only one side, and also I feel kind of heavy when compared to JBL Go. Because I'm a very big fan of JBL Go. I still use a JBL Go. See, it's very light. It's kind of weight also. It's a bit on the higher side, but we will see like the comparison of the voice calls and the speaker sounds and everything, and stay updated. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting a next video which will tell about the actual speaker review. I'm going to play some songs and do some kind of testing and comparison between the Boat and JBL Go. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye. Talk to you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.